Hello, Manigar. Good morning. Sorry, good evening. Uh, I'd like to take you through the application once, so that you have a basic understanding of what we are trying to achieve here. So, basically, whole thing is divided into sales, purchase, HR, and reporting. Finally, configurations. So, what you see initially when you log in is a dashboard, and you have basically uh, graphical reports and most recently accessed purchases, requests, and notifications. When coming to sales, we have business partners. We have successfully imported all your business partners information into the system, and their contacts. And then coming to request for invoice, basically the whole process, when a staff creates a request for invoice, it goes through an approval process, and you have this standard information along with the customer information and products. And once customer is selected, automatically his contacts will be populated from the business partners, and you have an approval histories. So after approval, the print is enabled. Yeah, when coming to purchase process, you have purchase orders, and I've created few of them. Purchase orders, you have vendors and references towards RFI, and customers. If there is a direct purchase order, reference to be associated with the customer and purchase order, and contacts based on for all the supplier the supplier we have selected, and products, terms and conditions, and approval histories. If attachments, if you need to add any further attachments, that can also be done. And once approved, the print is enabled. This is a sample print format, and coming to HR, you have holiday calendar. This can be populated using the holiday list. Then staff details. I created three different types of staffs right now. One is staff Radhika Subramanyam, another is Julia, using which we have created purchase orders, requests, and many MD profile role, Maria, and then comes leave approvals. And reports, additional reports, monthly leave report, request by customer in the last 60 days, and current login is for the system administrator. I will take you through the different roles and their logins. This is one staff login. Request for invoice, purchase orders, my leaves, apply leaves, holiday calendar, change password. Similarly, MD role has complete dashboard access and all the features available for the system administration is also available for the MD. So let me take you through one sample purchase order approval process. This is Juliet has created this purchase order, and I am in currently under manage MD login. You can see before approving it's saying it's asking for check for the products to be approved. So you see all the products and charges. So everything seems to be fine. I'll say approve it. So there is an amount. So when you press approve, automatically for a management role, the final approval status is finalized. So once finalized, automatic mails will be sent and print enable. Print will be on. Here you can either reject a purchase order or approve it, depending on your understanding of the current purchase order. Once this is approved, you can see the approval history and print will be enabled, and similarly it is approval concept is applied for request for invoice as well as leaves process, leaves approval, and there is a notification. Once approved by each individual, notification will be raised for each targeted roles, and from there you can open the relevant screen and approve it wherever possible. So another unique feature is you can basically go through application once, and once you finalize remaining changes, anything needed will will deploy it. As of now, the complete functionality of around 90% is completed, and remaining 10% your changes and sending emails as PDF attachments to the purchase orders need to be done, which we have to look it based on their server configurations. Thank you very much.